What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Haven't seen you guys in a minute, but how are you guys all doing? I picked up a new hobby recently, so I started buying some betas. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like the colors. Today I'm actually gonna be wrapping my door handles. So everything is black. I'm in need of a wash, excuse that, but everything is black on the car except for the door handles. So this is what we're gonna be tackling today. I actually have plans for the headlights, so don't worry. These aren't gonna stay chrome for long. But other than that, everything is going to be blacked out. I don't know if you guys like that blackout look, that murdered look, but I actually like it a lot because it's kind of stealthy in my opinion. But for those that have been asking me, like, how do you, like, what do you do about the door handles? Because not a lot of people can paint them because it's like, it's metal, it's chrome. You gotta like do a bunch of stuff just to like paint it and make sure it sticks. So what I tell them is just wrap. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys how to take the door handles off and everything, because from the looks of it, people think it's difficult, but it's actually super simple. I'll walk you guys through how to take the door handles off, how to put them all back together and everything like that. So let's get started on the passenger side, and then I'm gonna move on to the rear passenger, and then I'll just do the driver and the rear driver. Let's get started. So I picked this kit up from Walmart. It's about $7-8. It actually comes with all the bits that I need for today. To remove the door handles, we're gonna need a T30. I believe it's gonna be called a star bit. I'm not really sure of the technical name, but this is what it looks like.
In the star show. Hi, I'm Ariel. Look how cute she looks.
There's usually a little cap, a little plastic cover in here, but I lost that, so I mean, it doesn't really matter because it's not like water is gonna get in anyways. It's just to kind of protect it, but you just screw it loose until it's loose. The bolt doesn't pop out. Once you screw that off, this pops off. So you see how it's getting loose now? Do it a little bit more. So you kind of have to just wiggle it, just kind of play around with it, but you'll eventually get it. And once you get it, you'll know. You screw it until like it pulls open a little bit, and then there it goes. So you just want to make sure that the bolt inside disengages. This is the first wrap that I did. So I'm just gonna leave that there. For the door handles, you just pull it back and then you slide it out. Just like that. And then there is gonna be a screw right here that you can take off. But I think I'm gonna actually just wrap over it just so I don't have to take everything off and disassemble. But you can if you want to. We'll do it for the rear passengers as well. So this is the little cap that I was talking about. I lost it, but it's all good. I don't really need it. If I find it again, then I find it again. If not, then I'm not worried about it. So I got most of them off, and all I gotta do now is just clean them, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap them. So I actually have a bunch of leftover pieces from like when I did people's chrome delete and my chrome delete and stuff like that. So I have a bunch of extra pieces here. So I'm actually gonna be using these. This is a good way to get rid of some, you know, old extra pieces laying around that you don't want to throw away, but they're still very useful because they're big enough to wrap actually the door handles. So little things like that. So I'm really happy that I actually saved these, because then I wouldn't have a project for today if I didn't. So, you know, as you can tell, it's a triangle because it was the shape of this window. So that's what I used it for. Hi, bro.
What's up, bro?
What you got there?
I just got food. I want to hear from you.
Let's get to prepping these, and then I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Yeah, bro.
Hey, on your, dude. Hey, that feel good, huh? Oh. Yo, orgasm, bro.
You want this, bro?
Yeah, bro.
You can turn it up too.
Oh, where at?
Damn.
Oh, that feels good.
It feels like a controller, you know, when you vibrate. You know that.
He's a controller that vibrates. What you talking about?
Yeah.
A dildo?
Yeah, dildo. You talking about dildo?
You can put this up your butt too, bro.
Oh shit!
What the fuck?
Damn, let me see that.
Check.
Let me see that shit.
Hey, bro. This is a butt plug.
Yeah, massage gun. How much was it?
100.
It's pretty
This was
good.
decent. I was gonna buy this like $200 one.
On Amazon.
It was like the same shit as this. I was like, I don't think so. And this one had a good review too.
Oh, okay.
So I was like, alright, fuck it. I needed one. Alright, Wayman.
So we got them all wrapped up. Here's what the rear pieces look like. But before we throw them back on, you guys see how many scratches right here from like just fingernails and stuff?
Somewhat.
So I'm actually gonna buff that out. I ordered these from like eBay and they just attach onto your drill. And then all you do is just go on. I have turtle wax cutting compound. So I just put some of that on there and then I just buff all the scratches out. And then after that, I'm gonna put on these little like protectors for the door handles. So they're like that. I'm sure you guys probably seen like a lot of these before, like on people's cars. But yeah, so I finally ordered some. Throw those on right after I buff out all the scratches.
You're a minority.
They just wipe it away.
Yeah. So what this is doing with that rubbing compound is that it actually removes clear coat. When you're doing this, like polishing, you make sure that you don't want to go too deep because then actually it cuts into your paint. So just do it moderately.
I hate Hwang. Guess Jay who? I only know Hwang.
Yeah, bro.
All right.
Guess Jay who? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know who.
Wait, so I think it goes on this way. Davis,
What's up?
does it go on this way or this way?
Yeah, I would go this day.
I would do the higher up curve.
Like that?
Yep, like that.
Like that?
Yeah, I would do that. It's because I think it's longer that way.
Oh,
You
okay.
know, when you grip
When
it.
you grip the...
Yeah, I guess.
Y'all was drinking. I was like, fuck y'all. I always want to drink.
Nah, we don't need a drink. You can
Shut the fuck up. There's not a weekend. There's not a weekend. There's not a weekend. Y'all don't drink. I'll kill you, David. I'll kill you.
Oh shit, it ripped. I fucking ripped it. My dumbass.
do that.
Oh well.
Oh, this somebody.
I fucked it up.
Look, it's a frog.
Yeah.
It's a fucking
Oh,
small
shit.
ass frog.
That's the
Oh,
same
fuck.
dude I found.
Oh shit.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, the heat gun right here.
Zoom in.
Hey, right here, bro. Right here.
Oh yeah.
No. Alright, censor.
That's cool. I don't do
Yeah, bro. Hey, I told you. Yeah, we don't kill animals, yeah.
Door handles turned out really nice. It's just that fucking protector that looks like shit.
Hey, girl, I love you.
Can you see it? Yeah, you can fucking see it. Yeah. Alright, fuck it. I'm not even gonna put those on. That shit looks ugly. Fuck the protector.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro.
Fuck the
Get a clear
protector.
shield.
No protection game.
Hey.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, show me a picture how she looks.
What y'all think? Looks good.
See it. Dude, this dude's leg veiny as fuck. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro, he be stomping bitches.
His legs might be more veiny than yours.
Like I explained before, it's just a screw in here. So don't worry when you're taking it out, it's not gonna fall.
You know that?
Yeah.
So this little screw right in there,
Every time
it won't fall out. Just it'll stay in place. So once you're done taking off the door handles and you put them back on, you can just screw it back in and that's it.
Yeah, bro, it be hot up here.
Just like that. Okay? Good.
Easy.
Easy. Alright guys, so last night I didn't have enough time to finish up all the door handles. Right now I'm just missing the driver's side door handle, and that's the last one. I ran out of time last night, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up and wrap everything up. And I'll show you guys once I'm officially done with everything. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And the rears, other side, what do you guys think? So you guys saw how I messed up the little clear bras that go on the inside of the door handle. I realized that I was supposed to put water and I didn't. So today I'm gonna actually fix that. So I learned how to properly do it. So you actually have to take some water and you just kind of spray it all over your hands. Make sure that your hands are wet too, so then you don't get any smudges or any debris onto the piece of film. Never mind, boys. Scratch that shit. I wasted money. Fuck it. It didn't even fucking work. After I put it on the water, it still had a bunch of air bubbles. It just wasn't sticking. So scratch that shit. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so to ensure that this video makes it to 10 plus minutes, I'm actually just gonna debadge the car. I was originally not gonna do it, but I think I'm actually gonna do it because why the fuck not? So for those that don't know how to debadge, it's actually super easy. So you just heat it up with the heat gun and you kind of just pry the letters off. That's all it is. I'm gonna leave the Nissan logo. I'm just gonna debadge the Maxima and then that's it. So I'm gonna just spray down the little dusties a little bit. Alright, we good. I'm using this Maguire quick detail. I'm just gonna spray that bitch. Oh yeah. Heat it up a little bit. Oh, you guys, that looks so good. It's like super empty now. I went over it with some rubbing compound just to get out some scratches, some surface scratches. I know there's a lot of swirls on black cars, but you know, this got rid of some of the scratches. And actually, there was a little bit of imprint from the emblem, but since I used that rubbing compound, got rid of the imprint, so you can't even see it anymore. It was like it was never there. Alright guys, it's a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think with the emblem delete and the wrap door handles. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.